Hello, everybody. There's something that I want to teach you. It is something very important. Okay? Something that everybody needs to know. It's common knowledge that most of you don't have. But that's okay, because we're going to learn today. Okay? Over here, we have a garage door. You need to know how to open these and the proper way to deal with the doors. So I will show you. All you have to do is just you can't open the doors. You need to forget about the garage door. You need to stop thinking about the garage door. You need to stop dreaming about the garage door. The door is to not be opened, and you should leave it alone, okay? There's nothing out there for you. You need to stay inside, and you are not allowed to get out. Please leave the garage door alone. Thank you.